If you're looking for a mid-40s coupe-style boat, then look no further. I'm currently standing on a 46 Cantius, which is powered by Volvo IPS 600s that will propel the boat to over 31 knots. Come on aboard. I'm currently standing on a hydraulic swim platform that lowers into the water. It also can carry a 650-pound tender. On the transom, we have a grill, a refrigerator, and then ample storage to the port side. Moving into the cockpit, we have a large L-shaped seating, which goes all the way to the port side with table, refrigerator, ice maker, and this door will actually slide all the way over to the port side to make the cockpit one with the salon. As we move into the interior, we start with our galley, which we have sink, stove, microwave, ample storage on the port side, and then to starboard we have a refrigeration with additional storage. And moving further forward, we move into our salon where we have our starboard side seating, which opposes our dinette, which also converts into a sleeping area. And then to the starboard side of that, we have our full helm station. At the helm station, we have full control of the vessel with our Volvo controls and joystick to the very starboard side. We have our Volvo glass cockpit integrated into the helm screens, and then we have full control of the vessel as well. As I go from the main deck to the accommodations deck, we have 2 staterooms and 2 heads. The master stateroom is situated midship in a full beam master. The VIP is situated forward. The master has its own ensuite head, and then the VIP is connected to the day head. As we enter the foredeck of the 46 Cantius, we have a very versatile seating arrangement. We have a U-shaped seating that goes all the way around. The 2 outside turn into chase lounges. There's a table that comes up from the center, and then we also have a sunshade for additional sun protection of the whole area. That's our quick tour of the 46 Cantius. Thank you for joining me. For more information, please visit us at cruisersyachts.com.